myself, I don't need it. What I can't deny. Try to buy my freedom, but the price too high. Don't know how you got me speeding. Now I'm caught up in the feeling. You blind my conscience. I just know how bad I want this. I want you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Neicy and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video. And today I thought I would film like, I'm gonna call it like a fall makeup tutorial. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call it, but you'll see in the title of the video. I was kind of inspired by someone I seen on YouTube. I'm sorry, I cannot remember his name, but he is, you know, a YouTuber. So if you guys do know, or if this look does look familiar and you know who did it, please leave it in a comment down below. That way I can give them their proper credit in the description box. But unfortunately, I do not know the name. If I do remember, I'll put it on the screen, but as right now I don't. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Subscribe. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. That way it helps with the video a lot. Quick announcement, if you see this little mess right here, that's just my little makeup station, so don't really mind it too much. I just grab and go from that station until I get a proper recording station. You know, just don't mind that right there. And if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So first I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer. LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid to prepare for eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Everything I used on my eyelid was in this Jaclyn Hill palette, and of course, you know, it's a little beat up that just shows that got some love. So we're gonna dip into this color here, just put that all over our eyelid. This is just going to set that concealer and everything so the eyeshadows and stuff will blend out really easy and smooth. So now we're gonna take this pretty shade here and put that into our crease. And as you put this in the crease, you really want to like exaggerate it out like really far and just use a light stroke, circular motions. Just buff this color really out really nice and pretty. It doesn't have to be anything too neat. I'm really focusing the color like in the crease, and then once I lay that base down, I'll just start to do circle motions and buff it out. Once your crease looks something like this, you want to take this like red burgundy-ish shade here. You want to blend that into the crease, but don't drag it out as far where it covers over that orange shadow. So then you want to take your old brush with no new product on there and just make sure everything is blended. Then you want to take this black and literally just add that to the outer corner. And literally just want to press this right here, right in the outer corner. Then take your old brush and blend that out. Now you want to wet your brush for the shimmery shade. So for the shimmery shade, I'm taking this color here. And I just wet my brush with a little bit of contact solution. I know some people use Fix Plus or water or whatever you have. I just pour a little bit out onto my little table right here. Dab the brush in just a little bit. And then dip into the eyeshadow. Makes it nice and foiled. And you just want to apply this all over your lid. And take an old brush and just blend. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. liner in black, and I'm just going to give me a nice wing. I'm just gonna take my favorite mascara and just prep my eyes for eyelashes. Okay, so I'm gonna apply my eyelash and everything off camera, and then we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so now that I have my lashes on and everything, let's go ahead and peel off the tape. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and everything, but I'm gonna speed through this part because I have a video out already. I'll leave that in the description box below. If you want an updated tutorial on like my full face and everything, just leave me a comment down below and I can do that for you guys. So yeah, you guys already know that all the products I use will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out if you're interested. And yeah, let's go. Now I'm just gonna drag that orange and red shade underneath my lash line just to blend everything together. Then we're gonna put mascara on the lower lashes. So really intense to look, I'm gonna take a black eyeliner pencil and just line my waterline. I kind of think I'm gonna take some of that gold and just put it like on my lower lash line, just a little bit. Now I want to take this bright shade here and highlight my inner corner. I'm going to use that same color and highlight my brow bone. And next we're going to bronze up the face, and I'm also just going to go ahead and skip through this because y'all done seen me do it 1,000 times. Last, we're going to do lips. I'm going to line my lips with this brown lip pencil and then fill it in with this lipstick. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you like and enjoyed the video. If you like the style I did this video, like a talk through, if you guys enjoyed that rather just a speed through of me doing my makeup, then let me know. That way I can do that. Then for the next time I do a video, just let me know which ones you guys prefer. I'm still just going to keep trying different things out just to see, I guess, which one works best. Yeah, if you did like the video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you guys want to see next. It really helps out the video. Lastly, please subscribe to my channel. I already said that in the beginning. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss my upload when I post. And if you like, you can click the notification bell so you can specific notifications for when I upload. Last thing, don't forget to check the description box of everything that I use. And basically, again, that's it, you guys. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.